These include 1,268,830 learners enrolled in grade 6 in 2022 who will transition to junior secondary school grade 7 under the CBC curriculum, and 1,243,638 standard 8 cohorts who will join the traditional Form 1 under 844. Transition of learners from upper primary to junior secondary school under CBC will be guided by the assessment outcomes of the Kenya Primary Schools Assessment, KIPSEA. KIPSEA will be a combination of learner scores attained from the following. 1, school-based assessment administered in grade 4, 5, and 6. 2, the national summative assessment to be administered in November 2022. So the school-based assessment for each of the 3 grades, 4, 5, and 6, will constitute 20%, with the aggregate accumulate accounting to 60% of the scores to be used in reporting the learner's transit to junior secondary school. For the standalone junior secondary schools, only those that are registered will be eligible for selection and placement. In compliance with 100% transition policy, all learners shall be placed in junior secondary school institutions